Hello everybody. I'm a little smaller. I made myself a little smaller because my big fat head kept covering stuff, and so I thought I should probably make myself smaller. I just got the worst message. You know when you're like in a group project, right? And like somebody doesn't do something, and like we had to give a problem scoping presentation for this one design class I'm a part of. Pretty important presentation, right? Like this is the problem we're trying to solve. Like this is this approach we're gonna take. Like these are our stakeholders, this kind of stuff. And this one guy on my team, he like didn't show up, and I was like, oh shit, he's probably at this conference because like there's a conference that a lot of people are going to right now, and I was like, oh that's interesting. Like I didn't know he was in the group that was going to this conference because I didn't really peg him as the guy to like be in that group. But he was like, sorry I missed you. I overslept, guys. I was like, no, that's so bad. Don't do that. Don't do that. Please. Please, if you're a group and you're like on an engineering team, please don't oversleep your problem scoping presentations, guys. Please. Please. Lost a lot of respect. It's hard for me to like not respect people, you know? Like I usually am pretty chill. You like my dimensioning homework that I had to do? Dude, I was getting a headache from like trying to read the scales for this one. Like, also it's only the tolerance of like 2 decimal places, which is pretty like high, but a lot of these are like I had to round. Like this was 5.75, I think. I had to block one of my friends because they were discussing participating in illegal activities, and I didn't want to have to deal with that. Oh damn. I guess for me it would depend on the illegal activity. I mean, oops, I shouldn't say that. Don't do anything illegal. Certain things... Here's what I can say. This is not a bad thing to say. Depending on where you live, sometimes things are illegal that shouldn't be illegal. Which I think is fair. Like, I don't know, in the US, like, abortion rights and like that kind of stuff. Definitely something I would support somebody through, even though technically, you know, illegal. But I digress. That sucks though. Yeah, it's so hard sometimes. People will just do dumb things. Oh, illegal hormones? Oh, like, non-prescribed? It depends. It depends on which way. I'm assuming you're talking about estrogen because you can't get T, at least in the US, because it's what is it called? Yeah. Would Twitch let you talk about this? Yeah, it's not that bad to do it. But testosterone is a classified drug, right? It's like a regulated drug. So like if you're in possession of it, it is actually legal. But sorry, I know way too much about this. But if you're actually for estrogen and stuff, like you're allowed to own that without being prescribed it. So it's not illegal. It's just, you know, there's a certain risk that comes if you're not getting prescribed it. What's the difference for estrogen and testosterone? Well, testosterone is a steroid, and estrogen is not a steroid. But it's also kind of weird because, like, the testosterone that you take for, like, if you're doing it for hormone reasons, it's actually not the same testosterone that people take when they are on steroids, like actual steroids for, like, performance-enhancing steroids or whatever. But it's still regulated because people are dumb. But yeah, in the US, I mean, that stuff is like, there's not a lot of logic behind stuff. And so, like, you know, is my microphone different in a bad way or a good way? It's not as close to my face as it normally is. There we go. I do have I have my 3D printer running, and my computer is very hot right now. So, you know, that might be it. Sound more reverby? Oh, my room, yeah, my room is not sound isolated very well. It's pretty echoey in here. That's my one thing where it's like, you know, I normally don't really care that much about sound stuff, because when I'm in my room back home, on the East Coast, it wasn't an issue, but in this room, it is very open. There's not a lot of, you know, I don't stream from under my bed, which is where I normally stream from when I'm home. So it sound dampens quite a lot, and I didn't realize that. I might be able to fix that though, because I have some pretty nice sound filters. I'm pulling up the problems, by the way. Just taking my sweet time because I don't have anything to do today. This is really we are straight chilling, and I think I only have like 3 problems. It's not an ASMR ear licking. It is very much not an ASMR, unfortunately. Okay. This is probably going to be pretty chill homework, I'm not even going to lie, for statics. What is this? This is 211. Oh, I don't even call it that. What is this, week 5? No, we're on week 6. God damn. It feels so weird. It feels like I've been here for like a very, very, very long time. Because I really like love my roommates a lot. Such a good housing setup. But like, and so it feels like I've been here forever. But then it also is like, I've only lived here for like 5 weeks. But then it's also like, oh my god, 5 weeks is so long. But it's like, I don't know, it's weird. Housing stuff is so hard. Housing stuff is so hard. Not really my least favorite thing to think about. Maybe even more than class registration, which is also my least favorite thing to think about. Yeah, housing, oof. We're all trying to figure out what to do for next year, because so at my college, if you're in, they're trying to have everybody live on campus for 2 years, like eventually, because they're not, well, for money reasons for them, but also because they have better success of graduation for people who stay here 2 years, stay on campus for 2 years, because they're like more involved and they like, you know, are more on schedule or interact with professors more or whatever. So they're trying that, but they haven't done it with every single major or all the colleges inside the college. So like, but for engineering, which is like me and 2 of my roommates are in me and one of my roommates are in College of Engineering, and then the other one is in like the science and math, so he also has to be. And then our English major roommate all the time. Okay, calculate the forces in members BE and BD. So this is broken. Okay, BE and BD. So first off, I want to figure out where those are so we can figure out what free body diagrams. I've been trying to figure out like the best way to like start with like truss problems, because like identifying, you know, if it was asking to find all the forces, like identifying which is the most efficient way to do that is something I want to like get good at. But yeah, so I think, so right here, you know, I think we're just gonna go with A, like a joint. So this is, we got to use the method of joints. So basically, method of joints is to split up each one of these joints, right? Because all these members exert forces on the joints, all these little dudes. And we just take a look at this individual joint, and we say, okay, well, there's, you know, a force going here, maybe, and a force going here, and then we solve for those forces. And if we have, because it's a 2D problem, right? So if we have 2D equilibrium, we can write 2 equations, right? So a force is in X and a force is in Y, because we won't have a moment equation. Normally we'd be able to write 3, but we don't have a moment equation. So we get 2 equations, and we have 2 unknowns, right? So AB is the unknown, and AE is the unknown. But I think we're gonna have to do more work, right? Because like, if I look at this, we're gonna get this one, but then we have 1, 2, 3 unknowns, and we can't solve for that. So I'm gonna need to get this one first, I think. because we'll be able to solve for this one, and that gives us this one. Yeah. Okay, well, we'll just do this one. Okay, so we got the 1,000 down, going down. 1,000 pounds. And then we'll have, okay, so we know that this is going to be at an angle like this, and this is going to be at an angle like this. Okay, coordinate system also. I hate, oh, I always forget coordinate system on these, because if you draw like, you know, whatever, 6 joints, 5 joints, you have to put a coordinate system on every single one, and I always forget on like one of them. Anyway, so we need this one to go up to get that force, right? So that's FAB. And then because this one is going that way, this one needs to go this way. So we're just trying to figure out how to like set up the free body diagram correctly. If we get negatives, it's okay. You know, we'll just switch them. But, you know, it's nice to try and get it like... nice to try and get it right on the first time. So we'll do forces in X. I should really write down like the strategy, like overall strat. We're going to say we're going to start with A and then go to E and then go to B. Which will, because A gives us AB, AE. E will give us ED. I mean, it'll give us, okay, I don't even need to say A. No, we do need to say those two. And then the one that's useful in E is this one, BE. And then we can get, oh wait, yeah, it's looking for a BE, so we can get BE, and this just gives us BD. We're chilling. Okay, so fx equals 0. We're going to say equals positive AB. That would be cosine, right? Because that's the bottom. Cosine of 45. Yep. Just checking that this, you know, 8, 45. Cosine of 45 minus... Wait, why did I do fx first? Fy. Lol. Sine of 45. Minus 1,000 pounds. So equals so FAB equals. Is this physics? Yeah, it's statics. So statics is like physics that's specifically applied to engineering, I would say. So really the study of statics is how do you take a physical system and examine all of the forces in it, right? So in a physics problem, you know, when you're doing mechanics, you might be given a problem that's like, hey, there's a ball like rolling down a hill, right? And like, what happens to this ball? How fast is it going? Stuff like that. But you're not really doing like, okay, so this ball has like, you know, bearings on it that make it roll at a certain speed. Or, I mean, that would be a dynamics problem, not a static problem. But like, you know, like let's say you have, right, like a box on a spring, but we're not really analyzing the forces past just like a simple spring force in like a physics course. But in statics, you have like, okay, so there's a log, and that log is held up by a cable, and this log is being fed into a chute with rollers on each side. What forces are going to be exerted on these bearings here? So like how, essentially like how strong do we have to make these bearings? Like what kind of bearings, when we're designing systems, like do we need to use there to spec it correctly? So that's kind of like what the motivation for statics is. It's like physics, it is physics, but it's just like applied physics, even though physics is kind of like applied physics. Okay. You never learned physics? Well, you're still like, you're still pretty early on in your school, right? Physics is usually like a high school thing. Okay, am I in radians? I need to be in degrees. Let me just like check that this is right. Yes, okay. Okay, 1, so FAB equals 141. I'm just gonna keep it in 4 sig figs, that's fine. The 0.2 does not matter. You're no longer learning science? What? How does that work? So we got the direction correct for FAB. Good, okay. So fx equals 0 equals FAB. Those things. It's not on your timetable? That is really strange. Wasn't a year 10 choice? Wait. Are you like going to... I am unfamiliar. I'm like, okay, I'm like kind of unfamiliar with like systems in Like non-America. Awful way to say that, but I'm not super familiar with it, I guess. Over cosine 45. Your school is weird. I'm just gonna enter on that. We'll use this. Divided by cosine of 45. 2000, nice. It's a send school. Equals FAE. And I'm just underlining these because, like, I'm not going to use, like, they're not asking for it, so I'm not going to box it in, so let's not, like, they know it. But it's just for me, so I can find it better. So now we're going to do joint E. It doesn't do GCSE. Oh, that's so interesting. Okay, we got a joint E here. Our coordinate system, J, I. Okay, so we have the force. Let's draw in our forces. So we know that FAE is going to be a compression force, so it's going to push on this one as well. So I got foundational skills, which is like a C equivalent. Huh. Interesting. And then this one, I'm going to say, we know that this goes here. Oh, shit. Wait, that's kind of weird, huh? Wait, wouldn't that just be 0? Uh-oh. Wait, what? How is that not 0? Hello? Because, like, ED, right? Like, that's gonna be like this, FED. But, like, there's not gonna be any... Do you guys see that? Like, for this to be an equilibrium, f of y equals 0. FEB equals 0. Wait, yeah. That's really weird. Wait, what the hell? Well, maybe because it's like... That's so strange. 3 years out of the education system in total, I think, but I may have counted wrong. Interesting. Well, it's weird that you're not learning a science, because I had to learn... I did have to learn 4 years of science, I think. Mainly from hopping schools, yeah. Yeah, my mic did cut out. But, alright, I'll see you. That's so weird. I'm thinking maybe because we could have made this one member. Challenge you to 1v1. Go for it, good luck. Joint B, okay. We'll just do this one and we'll clean up, I guess. I mean, like, this is an easier problem now, right? Because, like, we have... That's also at 45 degrees. Bro, this problem is so chill. Thank you, Professor, for, like, not making this, like... really annoying. Let me just do this. This, I, J. So we have one force that's going over that way. We also have one force that's going this way. Well, we know that, like, that's 0. So we have this force that's known. That is going to be, it's going to be pulling, because that's in, that is in tension. Because it's pulling on the thing, so it's getting pulled. It's being pulled by the other one, so this is FAB. And then this is going to be... okay, well, let's see. This one needs to go this way. Wait, no, it doesn't. I lied. This one needs to go this way, I think. Is that right? Because that has to cancel the up motion, and then this one needs to be extra long to cancel both of them. And so that's F, BD. And I mean, I don't even need the other one, right? Because they're not asking for it. So we're gonna do sum of the forces in Y equals 0. So that'll be, right, negative FAB. And now if our 45 is here, we can do cos, or if our 45 is here, we can do sine. Wait, yeah, I think it's the same. Well, yeah, sine theta, cos theta doesn't matter when it's 45, lol. Plus FBD, sine theta. Oh my gosh, wait, they're the same. Oh my god, wait, FAB equals FBD. FBD equals 141. Or 1,414 newtons. That's crazy. Damn, okay. Oh my god, alright. That's so funny. Nice, okay, well that's good. Easy. I like not doing a lot of work. Work the first two problems using the method of joints. For the final two problems, the method of sections is probably most efficient. Note, the structural analyst can use both methods. For example, analyze a section and then examine a nearby joint. Okay, cool. Oh, okay. I just read a lot of numbers there and like I got a little scared. But no, we're chilling. Here we go. It's just like... This is also not due until like Wednesday, I think, right? When is this due? Oh. It's probably due a little bit before then because our midterm is Wednesday. Except... Okay, I mean, you guys know I go to a California school. Like, our teachers might be striking, and so like... I don't know if I have a midterm this Wednesday because like... I might not be able to like cross the picket lines to go to class, or he might just be striking and be like, but I like don't know what we're doing with the midterm. It's like scary. I want to be clear though, like I support it, like literally so real and based of them. Oh, I typed evil at some point. Oops. Or emo. But yeah, it's just kind of scary because like they're not announcing it until Monday. The decision of whether or not they're striking, and so I can't even plan. Damie, math. Yes, that's me. I do that. It is math. Well, it's physics really, but Twitch doesn't really have a physics category. I'm not gonna lie. The rectangular frame is I mean, they don't really have a math category either. Let's be real. This is like a fake. I don't even know like what the math category is, right? Like, it's like for some game or something. I don't know. It's not actual math, but... Okay, the rectangular frame is composed of 4 perimeter, 2 force members, and 2 cables, AC and BD, which are incapable of supporting compression. Okay, damn. Oh, yeah. Duh. Determine the forces in all members due to load L in position A and then in position B. Oh boy. Oh boy, indeed. Okay, so, well, we have to examine static equilibrium, overall equilibrium first, I believe. Because, yeah, unfortunately they're asking for everything. And, oh wait, there's 2 L's. No, it wants us to do it for both? Oh, you motherfucker. That's so annoying. Damn, okay. Well, I guess we'll try and solve it as, like, overall, generally as possible. Okay, so overall equilibrium. Overall equilibrium, let's just pull this out, free body it. That's not free body, that's our body. Okay, so those are... okay, one of them is a pin, so we'll have... Well, let me draw the load. Okay, so load here. Not the right color. Load. Oh, it is going to be symbolically because they don't give us any numbers. Swag. Okay. And then we have some tensions in here. So there's a tension here. Do I draw these tensions? Great question. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know if you can draw it. I think I probably can. Well, I agree with what Damie Math is saying. I guess there needs to be like, oh, am I gonna have to do moments? Bro, not moments. Okay, this is gonna have to push out. This is also gonna have to push out. And like, it's gonna have to push up, I'm guessing. Which is unfortunate, because I can't really show that well. This will be F-A-X, F-A-Y. That's A, that's D, that's C, that's B. This will be F, B, F, D, sorry, T, D, T, B, and then F, D, or N, D. Yeah, I'm not too big of a fan of this one right now. Because how many unknowns have we got? We've got 5. So we're gonna delete these 2. Those are like internal anyway on the members. Who care? I kind of need somewhere to go off of. Because like, I'm guessing I'm gonna have to start here. I think if we talk about strat. I think we go overall. And that gives us, that leads us to A. Which then, you know, we just jump around the circle, right? Yeah. That's kind of how I'm feeling. Oh, I think we should, approach this. I keep picking at my skin. Really shouldn't do that. My hangnails. Just when I get nervous, when I'm thinking about stuff, I just rip at my fingers, you know? That's a relatable thing, right? Let's take the moment about A. I'll just do convention. Okay, so L, that's negative. Moment ND equals moment L, and so ND is going to be ND times 3D equals ML, which is L times 40. ND equals L over 3. Is that right? Not even close. 4L over 3. Okay. This looks complicated. Yeah, so like it kind of is, but all of the parts of it are like really simple. A lot of it's just being able to see the places you jump to. It's kind of like in physics when you're trying to prove something, right? Like if you have like, you know, there's a really like simple proof that sometimes you'll do where it's like you're trying to get like V to be like 2 square root mgh or whatever. I think it's something like that when you're doing projectile motion and like trying to figure out like, oh, you know, you don't like engineering math? Do you like regular math then? Or like you don't like, do you like the engineering part or the math part? Or are you just like, you're a hater of both? Oh, you study math. That's real. Oh shit, I put that in the wrong direction. Well, I put that's in the right direction, so this one has to be in the other direction. Damn, I guess it makes sense. Because it's a pin, so we can do that. So, moments, I will just do forces in X equals 0. It's a lot about just like, I like it because it's like, you're demonstrating your relationship with like the physical world, right? You missed the stats stream? Oh, I do have VODs. Oh, wait, the stats stream where I did, where I did the drill thing, or the stats stream where I did the actual stats. My stats exam was so hard. Wait, did I tell you guys about how hard my stats exam was? Oh my god. There was a question. The actual stats. There was a question that was like this. And it was like, I don't know, it was like 60 to like 75 or something. And it was like, okay, there's a missing bin in the histogram, and this is 45% of the data. And like, what's the sample size from just this? And I was like freaking out because I was like, I like looked at the clock. It was a 50-minute exam. It was way too long. It was way too long. I looked at the clock, and it was like, I was taking it at like, it started at 3 or 3:10 or something. And I looked at the clock, and it was like 3:40. And I was like, oh my god, I'm not going to finish this fucking exam. But I was like thinking about this question so hard, and it took me so long. And like only after I was like, oh, it's probably like I over N is like percentile, right? Or something like that. But then it's still like, you can't figure out like the I. There was one guy who like did it, and I was like, damn, that like sucks that you like that you had to do that. But I did like bin width, because they like gave us the width of a bin, and so I like did bin width, and then I went to like find K, which is like K is calculated by using the sample size, and then I just like backed out the sample size, and it was so scuffed. I don't know. I think he's gonna curve that midterm really hard, but I'm just praying, because I think a lot of people didn't really do that well. But it was so annoying because he asked us to write out, like, he was like, okay, make a Z, graph the thing in X, and then actually show all of your calculations for transforming X to Z, instead of like, you know, if it's like 95 percentile, you could just be like, okay, 95 divided by 2 equals whatever, because like, our Z tables start from like Z equals 0 is the middle, instead of Z equals 0 is the left. Anyway, none of that is relevant to this, but I was not having a good time with that exam. I was so, and I had to go to like a 2-hour chem lab like right after it, and I was like so out of it. Yeah, not good. Okay, what was I looking for? FX. So negative FAX plus ND equals 0. ND equals FAX. So FAX also equals 4L over 3. So I need that one. And then we'll do Y. This is great. Right, L. FAY plus L minus L equals 0. FAY equals L. Okay, now we can actually start doing the statics. Okay, let's start with joint A. Joint A. Got that. Okay, on joint A, we have this one, that's FAY. We have this one, that's FAX. We have another force, which I don't really know how to draw, because it's like, whatever, we'll do the one over here. So this one is going to go this way. That is our AB, FAB. And then structural engineering? Yeah, a little bit. I'll just do that. A, D. Yeah, it's like it's basically structural engineering. This is so easy. I really wish I didn't have to write out all these like governing equations, because they're all just going to be like, I didn't write I and J. I. Negative J. Okay. Fx equals 0. FAY minus FAD equals 0. FAY equals FAD. I don't know what I did wrong. Why is it equal to 0? AD equals 0? I mean, like, low-key, that, like, makes sense. But, like, why? Should I start with... No, because I need to use that one to find the tension. Oh, shit, there's another thing in there. No wonder why. What is equals 0? Oh, maybe because I forgot a force. Wait, I can't solve for that yet then. Wait, where the fuck am I supposed to start? All of them have ones I can't solve for. Except for D? Can I do D? No, because I only have one thing at D. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. How do I do these tensions? This stuff is right. This stuff is useful. This is not right. Starting at A, because I can't start at A, because I have the fucking tension there. That's, so annoying. Huh. Do I have to, like, do a moment? Do I have to do a structure? Or, what's it called? Sections? Let me stare at it for a sec. Your mic break just killed... Dude, I hate everything so much. How am I gonna compensate you? I don't know. My comment... I have looked for like I've looked for like... I don't even know how to describe it. Like, there have been things that I've tried to like fix this mic. It doesn't do it on my other computer. It's only on this computer. I don't know why it does it. It's so... It makes me insane that it just does it. It killed me as well. I'm so sorry. You can have... Here's your compensation. Let me... Wait. Can I, like, give you guys, like, a badge? I don't actually know what... you know how, like, you... That happens, right? Like, Twitch has something where it's, like... My ears. I'm so sorry. You know how like Twitch has like little badges you can like give? I think that might be like you have to be higher than affiliate to do that. Viewer rewards? No. Drops? Rewards? No. What can I give you guys? Can I just give you channel points? No. That's so sad. Wait, my follower emotes opened up. Oh my gosh, wait, that's awesome. I can move some of my other emotes out and then put in those ones. I kind of want to put new emotes in for my re-debut, but like, I don't know what to put. I can't give you guys anything. What can I give you? I'm clicking in so many menus. I have nothing. I'm so poor. I can give you a little here. This is my gift. Wait, I have to make it more realistically. Sorry, viewers. me crying a tear. With your bleeding ears. I really don't know why it does it. I mean, $27 in a pack of Smarties. $27 is a lot of dollars, is a thing. I don't have $27 to give to you. This beautiful image. We can leave that. We can leave that there. I'm gonna turn that in on my homework. That's my gift to you. Fuck, how do I do this, though? Do I have to, like... I might have to solve for them, and then, like... system of equations. $27 is 1/60th of my daily income? I wish that were me. No, I'm like, I guess technically employed, but like, I just grade, like, for my school, and they really don't pay us, like, anything at all. Especially because I only grade for, like, one class. They don't pay us, like, anything. I lied. Sorry, I'm poor. I am after a drawing of Damie kissing some bleeding ears. What? Is there anything I can do for $1? Anything I can, like, what do you mean? Like, to give you $1? Or, like, I'm confused. Do I need to like analyze multiple joints and then like put them together? Do I need to like analyze A and C? Because like C will have, you can give 100 bits with $1. I don't have my credit card hooked up to Twitch. Not my credit card, my card hooked up to Twitch. It would be an arduous task to put $1 into Twitch. Is there any tutorial I can give for $1? Yeah. What kind of thing would you want to learn? I can do any tutorial. I just scale it based off of how much money. I'll give you a $1 tutorial. I don't like this problem. All of it? Okay. I'll give you a $1 tutorial. Wait, let me get the other problem because I don't want to do this one. I just looked at this one. Fuck me, dude. This one looks awful. Look at this. Look at this. This is awful. Okay, $1 statics. So first we draw the free body diagram. That's basically our body. Then we put the forces on it. It's close enough. Well, I decided the first person to give you a tutorial for $1 gets $1,000. You're so kind. Is there anything you'd like to say? Yeah, I'm giving you a tutorial right now. This is how to be a really good engineer tutorial. And then you put this in here, and this in here, and then this here. Right, this is how to be a really good engineer. And then I gotta go make more kindness content. This is bad. Don't do that. No, okay. I need to okay. I just want to identify the ones that we need. We want BC, we want CF, and we want EF. Okay, so we're gonna do a cut. Like Zorro. I want to draw Zorro here. Cutting the... Oh wait, sorry. He's cutting it with his swords, his cool swords that he's holding. Crossing his arms. Like, whoa, I just cut that thing. It looks like a crooked anime smile. Cut. You gotta have a little fun as an engineer, you know? It can't all be boring. Can you do an example which has an infinite amount of joints? Well, okay, this is actually kind of a good example of that, right? So, like, sometimes you do just have, like, a shit ton of joints, and you don't want to, like, deal with it. Because, like, I mean, you know, you might be making, like, a bridge or something, right? Like, and if that has a really complex lattice structure, trellis, you know, truss structure, you can just do this. So what we're going to do is we're going to draw one side, and I think I'm going to take the side of, I think I'm going to take this one. Well, and, okay, I need to move the viewers real quick. Oh, I didn't move them. Get out of here. Oh, I see why. We do have to do overall equilibrium, but I'll just show this first. And this is internal. So, because this has other stuff, but we don't really care about this stuff. We just want these three forces here. We can draw a free body of this. Just this bit. And then we can just analyze this like a regular statics problem. And that's our like method of sections, right? So like, if you don't care about the other stuff, you can just kind of like, so if you had an infinite joint problem and like, you know, it was like crazy, like all over the place, like joints, like, you know, really, really gooped up. Like pretend all this is like, you know, maybe it's like this, right? Like something that's just like a house. And you only want to know about like this one right here, you can just cut it. That's how you do that. Okay, how do I do this? I'm gonna need to do overall equilibrium because I need those. I will label those up. Got his other sword. There's another sword. Yeah. Yeah, and like if you're doing a problem with a computer, right? Like that would also help cut down on compute time because you don't want to. What does that do? Oh my gosh! Thank you. Oh my gosh! Thank you so much. Thanks for the sub. So sweet, so kind. Oh my god. I'm not even doing math. I'm so excited. I really want to get into linear 2 differential systems. Next quarter. So hopefully we'll be partying it up with differential systems, like, you know, Fourier series, Laplace stuff, all that good math stuff. I also do want to take a math minor, but the thing is, you probably won't see math stuff. If you're planning on playing a long game, you probably won't see it like for a year or so. I don't know when I'm going to be taking, like, when I have time to take math classes again. You can help with linear 2? Hell yeah. I would very much appreciate that. Although, I will say, I think I'm going to get my favorite professor for it. Because he, you know, I know him. He's really good. And he wants to, like, give me a permission number to get into his class, basically. So, like, I don't have to worry as much about getting in on registration. I know you're going to be like, Damie, that's crazy. You shouldn't be able to do that. And to that I say, you're right, I shouldn't, but I'm going to do it anyway. Fuck people. No, it's really common if you, like, know professors, because they'll, like you, and they'll be like, oh, you'd be a good addition to my class, right? Like, you're not, like, an ass to teach, so they like to keep those kind of people in their classes. All right, so we have a force from this one that's going to go out. Pretty much the only thing it can do. Hell yeah, nepotism. It's not really nepotism, because, like, I'm not related to him. But, like, kind of, I guess, in a way. It's like reputation, I guess, more. F-A-Y. And this is N at G. I don't know if I like that. I'm gonna say force at G. I don't know if I like that either. I'm just gonna say normal force. Not like that. Okay, I want to take a moment about A. Moment A equals 0. Convention. Okay, so N is going to be moment N, positive, and then all those L's are going to be negative, minus 3L. 3 moment L. So moment N equals 3 moment L. So moment N is going to be N times the distance, which is not given to us, unfortunately. Can I find that distance easily? I really would love to find that distance easily. If that's D... Man, why does it have to be like that? Oh, wait. Oh, no, that's easy for L. I just need to find the... Well, I know this is 60 here. Sorry, Discord notification. And if this is 10, this is 90 total. Oh no, gamers. Oh, this is not going to turn out well. I don't want to do a force. There's no way I'm doing a cross product in this. There has to be a geometry thing. Hey, anybody in chat really like geometry? Anyone here see the geometry so I don't have to solve it myself? Oh, someone is pinging me. I'm gonna go on Do Not Disturb. Okay. The only geometry I like is circle related. Honestly, it's real. I very much like concentric circles lately. Check on my print real quick. Oh my god, my print. Oh my god, I have this one. Oh, I'm so dumb. You know when you like are working on a project like with a deadline, you're like, it's gonna be fine, and then like I printed it and I put it together and it like wasn't fine, and I was like, oh my god, I only have like 2 days left to like print something, and the prints take like 4 hours. It's like, oh my god, I can't even print like for that many hours in the day. Yeah, that's where I'm at right now. It's okay though, I think I figured it out. So this is 90 here, this total thing. So that means this total thing is 100. Oh. Wait, oh, we're chilling. We're chilling. Never mind. This total thing is 100. And so we can figure it out. Oh, thank God. I was worried for a second there. Whew. Okay. Yeah, I am going to just draw on this. So 100, and this is 60. And so we can do, if we know that, oh. Yeah, we can figure it out. Because we can find this side length and then that side length. Because we know this is going to be, what is that? 80 here. And so then we can find, oh. I don't know what would be the best way of doing this. I think the best way would be like this, right? So like if we have, it's essentially like this. We know that this is 80. We know that this is 3D. And we want this is X. We can find this. And then this. And then subtract them. Let's do that. Okay, so if that's 80, then, right, so opposite over, that's going to be sine. So sine 80 equals 3D. 3D over, but this is like L. Over L. I probably shouldn't call it L, actually. Not at least in, like, L. Right, so L equals 3D over sine 80. And then 3D, and we know that this is 60. So, right, if we have sine 60 equals 3D over X plus L, right? Is that right? Yeah, this is gonna kind of be gross, though. I don't want to do X plus L. I just want to do over, like, H. Me defining 30,000 variables to use X, L, H over H. So H equals 3D over sine 60. And then we do H minus L. Say H minus L equals 3 times... Oh, no, it's not 3 times. No! Oh my god, moment L1, moment L2, moment L3. One is D, DL. So goofy. Okay, so DL plus 2DL plus 3DL. Right. So then N equals. I'm gonna do this. So it's 3D over sine 60. What is sine 60? Sine 60 is Oh, that's the shitty one. They're both shitty. God damn it. Why do they have to be, like, doofy? Okay, let's do 3 divided by sine 60. 3.464. Awesome. I love that. You guys are always hearing me say how much I love that number. This minus this. Yeah, I guess that kind of makes sense. 0.4. Zero 0.417 48 d equals 6 d over L. This 6 divided by that. 6 divided by that. Okay, that's log. What? 6 divided by that is 14 point... Okay, that makes sense. Newtons? Are we in newtons? Who knows? Oh, it should be in D, right? What cancels here? Wait, what am I doing? 6DL. 6DL. Wait, I don't need the... Oh my god, I'm all over the place. Okay. Alright. We have N. Now we can get the other two. And then we'll go to A, I guess. Wait, A, I don't even need both of them. Wait, I can just do N. No, I can't. I lied. There are 3 members there. Damn it. Well, I guess I only need 1. Should I do... I mean, we just know, right? FAX equals N. Fx equals 0, so equals N minus FAX. FAX equals N. FAX equals 14.36 L. Cool. Honestly, stay winning. Truly. Let's see. We got FAX now, we can do our... Oh, wait. No, do I need all of them for this? I might need all of them for this. Well, yeah, it's no biggie. Right, this is just FAY minus 3L equals 0. I do need all of them for this. I need to put them on here, so... This is just going to be 1L here. And then G is going to have that normal force. So, we need to find a lot of things here. We need to find this. This is a force here. I guess we just say they're all in one way. This is F, BC, F, FC, F, EF. I don't know why I changed it. I guess I should say FFC. FE. Okay. We have 3 unknowns, and everything else is known. So we should be actually pretty... Okay. Now... This is, not super optimal, I guess. I mean, what... They all have components. We need to do a moment equation. Oh, we just do a moment about B. I mean, a moment about F. We'll go with that. Moment about F. moment about f equals 0. A nice little chill moment about f moment here. That is going to give us moment FBC. Positive. Is this... Which way is this going to turn it? That's also positive. Plus moment N. Minus moment FAY. FAX, I lied. And then for FAY, that is going to be positive. Plus moment FAY. Now, great question. I have no clue if this sign is going to be right or not. But we'll go for it. So MFBC equals moment FAX minus moment FAY minus moment N. So this is going to be FBC times, how far is this? The perpendicular distance. Oh no, that's actually kind of awful. What I really, really don't want to do... Right, because it's this. I need this. Oh, fart. Okay, we're gonna just skip that. Does that exist anywhere else? Can I find it anywhere else? I mean, I can find it here. No, it's not even that. It's not the distance there. It's literally only the distance here. Do I even know what any of these angles are? Yes, it's 60. Oh? Perchance. Okay, so that's 60. This is 60. This is 100. How many degrees are in a triangle? 180? 45, 40, yes. What is this, 20 degrees then? Does that help me at all to find that? Yes. I can find it from this triangle, which is a much nicer triangle, I think. I kind of take that back. This seems like it sucks so bad. Anyway, what about the moment of FAX? Can I get that relatively easily? Yes. Yes, I can. Thank God. That's going to be FAX times D. What is FAX? FAX is that number. That isn't a nice number, which makes me think that it's not right, but that's okay. Number of FAY equals 3L. 3LD. Same. No, wait, this isn't this. It isn't D here either. Oh no. Oh no. No, the perpendicular distance. Wait. Wait, I did calculate that. That's H. That's H. That's H. Yes. Yes, I stay winning sometimes. Okay, minus. What is that? 3 L D minus N. The distance between that and that. That's A. That's L. Sorry. Times L. Okay, these calculations need to move somewhere else. They need to move over here. Get over here. This is kind of stupid. Wait, okay, what's the distance from FBC? No, the distance from FBC to L is so dumb. Okay, let me think. This kind of sucks forever, guys, is the thing. Unfortunately. Hmm. Hum. Yeah, I guess I just gotta keep on keeping on. Would it be better if I did... Let me think. Would it be better if I did... maybe a different coordinate system? No, it doesn't fix the angle. I'm still gonna be trying to figure out that perpendicular distance if I want to do scaling. That's so rude of them to... The first problem was so nice, and this one is so scuffed, which makes me think is not the right way to do it, but... well, we'll try it. Okay, so I still need to find that distance. Now, the best way to do that, I guess, would probably be through this triangle here. No, would it? I was thinking this. We do this triangle here. No, I lied. Wait, what even triangle am I talking about? This triangle? That's ass. We can't do that. I need a way to use this triangle here to figure that out. Yeah, we can do that. I mean, it's not awful. It's just the exact same thing that I did over here. But like, oh wait. What's the rule for similar triangles? Like, because the angles are all the same. Funny pictures. How, I think it's just a ratio, right? So like, if the ratio of this is 3D, me trying to justify why this is like the way it is, it's like, okay, so so if this triangle is like 3D and this one is like 2D, then like this is like 3 to 2 on the side ratio, I think. We're gonna just say that. So FBC times, so if it's this side, that side is this number, 0.418, and I want to multiply that by 2/3. Is that right? I didn't know. Oh wait, let me just like write in that like x minus h, right? Or h minus l. So at least they can see what I'm doing. Okay, so FBC is 0.418 times 2/3. D equals 4.36 L times h, which is... I mean, it's 3D over sine 60. Let me keep that. 3D over sine 60. Minus 14.36 times 3D over sine 80. I might be able to do something there. Well, because I could pull out the 3Ds and then... would that really change anything? I don't know. If I skip a term, I skip a term. Minus 3L. 3D. 3D. Ow. Oh, I think my print stopped. Oh, that's so good. Alright, I'm just going to cancel all these Ds. I guess I'm just going to crunch some numbers. 0.418 times 2 divided by 3 equals whatever that is. That. I know, riveting content. I'm so sorry, y'all. Right. Okay. Okay, I don't know why I just backed out of my calculator. Okay, so I need to do the sine 61 minus the sine 81 minus 3. Ooh, it's a negative number. Wait, it's 1. That's fascinating. -1 divided by 0.418 times 3/2. I mean, it's not like... I need L on there, I think, yeah. Or D. Sorry, D is the thing that... No, L is right. D is going to cancel out. I mean, I can just... Yeah, I'll say flipped on FBD, because I don't want to change the whole thing. Interesting, okay. Well, so I got that. Fun. That one I got. Is it right? I don't know. It seems wrong, but who knows? And then I guess we just do, what are we feeling? Are we feeling like, another moment? I kind of don't want to do another moment. But I think I might have to, because both of those guys, wait, but I can't really do another moment. Both of those guys are in the X and the Y, so I might have to solve it and then substitute. That's so annoying. It's fine. I'm so normal about that. Let's do FY. Man. Minus FBC. Sine. I don't even know what it is. What is it? Sine 30? Plus FFC sine. What is that angle? Did I ever... Oh no, wait, I don't know that angle. Oh no. Okay, wait, so this is 80. Oh, dude, this sucks. This actually kind of sucks is the thing. How do I know that angle? Can I know that angle? Wait. Wait, can I actually... Because this is 80. This is the one we want. Well, like, here, I guess, is also the one we want. I know that's 10 from under here. Oh, I guess it's 10 from under there. Yeah. Let's do that. Wait, but like... I don't know how much... up it is. Oh my god. Okay, so I know the FE one. FFG. Oh, that's supposed to be... Oh, that's just an E. I just wrote it weird. Sine 10. Oh, that's minus. But then what is this angle there? How do I find that angle? Like, I can know that part of this one. I can know this one is 30. I don't know anything about this angle. I don't know anything about this angle. This one is 80 because of this one. This one is 100. Oh, this is 100. So this is 30. This is 100. That's 30, so... No, that's gonna be different every time. This is gonna be different every time. So if I move the 30, like, here... If I move the 30 here, that has to be 60, yeah. But damn, where's the... I guess this has to be 30 here? From up from the bottom? So that means this... But that means that would be 60, but that's not true. Oh no, this is not my forte. Huh, Shit. Can I say anything about... Like, maybe in the... Oh, wait, yes, maybe? I think I can say something about this based off of the trapezoid. How many degrees are in a trapezoid? Is there a constriction? How many degrees in trapezoid? 360. Okay. Yes. Okay, we're getting there. I think I can say that. So then if that's 360, this is 100 plus 60 plus 80. That's 240 minus 360. So that's... This whole thing is 120. Right, the whole thing. Does that help us, though? Not really? Wait, this is 100. This has to be 70 here. We're getting some places. If that's 70 there... Wait, then 60, 170. Okay, wait. 100 plus 60 plus 70 minus 360. This is 130 here. Wait, I knew that though. Wait, no, that's wrong. That should be 120. Oh no! Oh, this is 80. I lied. This is 80. Yeah, and so that makes sense. That's 120. But I don't need that. Let me think. I think I need to step away from this problem and come back to it, I'm not gonna lie. I might need to just restart it. Or restart the geometry part of it and, like, see it in a different way. Let's see, let's do something else. Why not? I always like skipping around to things. I feel like I skip around sometimes like a little too much, but like I'd rather skip around and like make progress than not. This is so scuffed. Okay. Okay, at least there are like checks here. Alright. Remember, it's DJ and EJ. DJ and EJ. Okay, very interesting. Well, we probably want to do a cut. Where we do that cut is interesting. I think we do it like here. Right through here. That way we can analyze those. Is that going to give us grief? Possibly. Possibly, but I think it's not going to be as bad. Wait, let me just look at my... Okay, my print looks good. I'll have to... Oh, it's like cracking off. That's what I'm hearing. I like heard cracking. I was like, is my printer like homing itself without me telling it to? Sejong my little printer guy. I don't actually know. Is that the best way to do this? Where can I cut? Like, it being kind of symmetric is like, or it being symmetric is interesting. I mean, I guess we could cut like here. Right, like the opposite way. I don't think it really matters whether we cut here or here. I think this makes more sense. We'll do that. Hum. Very interesting. Oh my god, there's loads on each one of them. Okay, how would we do this? Well, let me think. Let's just do the internal FBD first, and we'll see what stuff we're missing. And then I think we can do that after. I want to use the right side, I think, even though it's like a little bit more annoying to draw. Because... no, I think I need the left side. Do I? Do I need the left side? I kind of don't. Right? Because like we'll have this, and then this, and then this. That's our D, E, F, G. This goes down, but also over to here. Okay, sticky keys. There we go. Kind of like that. I mean, it's not perfect, but like it's there. And then we'll have a load here. Well, and I guess I should also probably just kind of like continue these this way. There's a load here. There's a load here. There's a load here. We'll have a load here. We'll have a normal force going up. Okay. And then we have... I'm just going to put all these arrows out this way. So we have 4 unknowns. Not great, not great. But like, how do you move from the joint to the... I guess we'll have to figure that out. I mean, for A, like, we can get, you know, 2. I feel like G is easier to do the joint at, because we'll just have 1, right? Once we get equilibrium. I have a feeling we're going to cancel out the... Wait, no, wait, 3 equations, 3 unknowns. That's fine. Because we can write moment equations. Oh, okay, no worries, no worries. We're chilling, we're chilling. Okay, so F, DC, F, JC, F, JK. Alright. So this is 3 unknowns, 3 EQ. Statically determinant. Okay, we are gonna have to do an external equilibrium though. So I really don't want to draw this thing. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Close enough. And then we'll have this. Sorry, we'll have this. Wait. Oh. I was like, how did I forget one? There you go. Hate that, but that's what the problem is. This looks awful. Oh, I mean, I guess if you're doing, like, civil, this is, like, your life. We're gonna have a normal force here. And that'll just be N. And then this one will also have a force this way. But guess what? It's gonna be 0. I'll call it FA. FAY. FAX. Fax. Anything else I'm forgetting? I don't think so, because we have 3 unknowns. So 3 unknowns. 3 EQ. Stop that. Do the moment about A. Oh my god. Oh my god. At least it's a kind moment equation. There's so many moments. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 3, 4, 5. Right, those are all negative. ML1 minus ML2 dot dot dot. I'm just gonna say, yeah, minus ML over 2 plus N. Moment N equals ML1 plus ML2 dot 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 plus ML over 2. So that's N times 8 meters. The first one is, so it's 6 panels at 8 meters. Eight over 6? Really? These goofballs. 4/3 for each of these? Fine. 4/3 L plus 8/3 L plus 12/3 L plus 16/3 L plus 1, 2, 3, 4 plus 20/3. Wait, that's wrong. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24. Oh, I do the last one. 24/3 L over 2. Look at this great, great time we're having. Isn't everyone so happy? I'm going to say 24 divided by 2. L, and I'm just gonna say this is 12/3 L. Okay, so 4 plus 8 plus 12 plus 16 plus 20 plus 12 is 72. 5 by 3. 8n equals 24. N equals a lovely even number. I love that so much. L. Okay, we want that. I put on some, I want to put on some Pikmin music. Pikmin 4 music. Chill. I feel like Pikmin music is like really intense sometimes. Chill and relaxing Pikmin ambiance music. I'll be the judge of that. That's really quiet. Just gonna blast Pikmin music. Oh, it's so quiet. Dude, my group is popping off right now. First draft of second part is completed. I don't know what. I'm doing statics. I was lion dancing earlier today. I was not available to work on that stuff, but that's fine. I just spot fix everybody's stuff. That's what I like my job to be. Give me the stuff and I'll change it and I'll make it be good. Okay. And then we do forces in x equals 0, fax equals 0. And then we do forces in y equals 0. Oh, fuck. I have to write all of them again. Oh, no, it's okay, because I get to multiply. Or I get to add. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 6. Okay, cool. So fay minus 6l equals 0. Fay equals 6l. God, I love that this is 3. That's beautiful. Like, that's right. You know what I'm saying? Like, that's right. Okay. We got everything we need there. So we're gonna do a moment about... Yeah, I guess we just do a moment about j. Moment about j equals 0. So that'll be positive equals moment fdc plus moment n. Oh god, this is gonna be minus, right, moment L1 minus moment L2 ... I'm just gonna say ... So mfdc equals moment L1 plus moment L2 ... minus moment n. Okay. Now I'm just praying. I'm praying our perpendicular distances are defined for us. I think they are. So FDC is going to be 8 plus 2. Beautiful. FDC times 10 equals... Oh, this one... Oh, I see. Because we want just this. And then we have to use these two to get this one. I get it now. I get it. Got it. Okay. How many do we need? Okay, well, that's a question for after we solve for FDC. So this one is not going to count. So moment L1, moment L2, moment L over 2. So moment L1 is going to be 4/3 L plus 8/3 L plus 16 divided by 2. Nope. 12 divided by 2 over 3 L minus... I'm just going to scooch this up and over a little bit. Minus mn, which is 3 times 12 over 2 divided by 3. Oh, that's really weird. Is n in L? Oh, n is in L. Yeah. Lol. I was like, that's not the same units. Okay. So we'll have... 4 plus 8 plus 6 minus 18. That's 0. Why the fuck is it always 0? Why are the ones I'm solving always 0? It's not supposed to be 0, right? Oh, because I'm solving for the wrong thing. Is that okay that I do that? I think that's okay that I do that because I can find out. Oh no, did I goof it? No, I think it's okay. If I analyze J, then I can use this and... Because 4 plus 8 plus 6 is... okay. 0. Okay. Cool. I still definitely need F. But that means that FJK is also 0? Uh-oh. Okay, wait, this is kind of good for me. In the fact that I don't have to do work. Oh. Well, no, it doesn't have to be 0, actually. It just means that those two x's are equal. So I'm going to do fy first. Okay, we're chilling. We're chilling, actually. We're not... Wait, no. Oh, no. Because if that's 0... Oh, no, FJK. Okay, FJK is not in the y direction. We are chilling. We are chilling. Whew. Okay. Fy equals 0. Equals... That means that this is wrong. This is the wrong way. It has to be this way. Which I guess I should have known before. We'll just do that. Okay, FJC, nope, N minus FJC sine. Fuck, what's the sine at? Oh no, no, not the triangles again. Can I just hope that the theta cancels out? Can I hope that the theta cancels out? Because of symmetry? It might cancel out. I'm gonna leave it. This is theta. This is also theta. We'll see. FJC equals n over sine theta equals n, just 3L over theta. Sine theta. Okay, well you need to use that. And that means that FJK F equals FJC minus cos theta minus FJK sine theta equals 0. Nope, it's just FJK. So FJK equals, right, FJC cos theta equals 3L sine theta cos theta. I don't really need to change that. Okay. That's known. They're both known. So, like, that's fine. Even if they're, like, weird. I could do the math to figure out that theta. But I'm gonna leave it. So, now we're gonna do joint analysis, I guess, on J. Joint J. So here's J. Okay, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 things coming off J, but let's put a coordinate system on first. I, J. We got 1 here. We know that FJK is a thing, so I put that in the right direction, so that goes this way. FJK, which means that this one is going to go this way. Probably. I guess I shouldn't say so early. That one is correct. This one's going to go this way. F, A, C. This one's going to come off this way. There's going to be one coming off this way. Okay. If I had to guess, that's probably wrong. Maybe something like this. I think down is more likely. That's F, E, D, J, F, D, J, This one's F, E, J, and this one's F, I, J. That kind of sucks, but I won. Thanks for the lucky one. 7-0. Oh, nice. That's awesome. What was it in? What game? Okay. Ooh, Brawlhalla. That's fun. Okay, can I solve this even? No, I can't. I can't solve this. Wait. Did I say I needed to do it on D first? Yeah, because D has 2 unknown members. Fart. Okay, why is this so long, dude? This is like crazy. Okay. Joint D. It's kind of awful, actually, funnily enough. I love how I didn't even cut through the sections that I wanted to cut through. Why did I do this? You know what? I'm too far gone. It's a sunk cost fallacy, dude. When does this due? Is this due Tuesday? Okay. Man. Okay, whatever. Fine. I hate everything. I hate engineering. Goofy problem right now to have. I don't know why I did that to myself. This is 0. I don't need to draw it. That means the other one's probably also going to be 0, funnily enough. Oh. Oh my god, do you know what I just realized? This is not 90 degrees. Okay, awesome stream, guys. Thanks for the stream. It's great. It's great having a great time with you. I gotta go now. I got like stuff to do. Oh my god! It's not 90 degrees. Oh my god! I have to redo all of it. Well, not this part. This part is fine. Thank God, the external equilibrium. My best friend, external equilibrium. It's 89 degrees. Yeah, exactly. And so all these equations don't apply at all. Oh my god. God fucking damn it. Well, love how a single degree can do that. Yeah, you know, I really learned in my welding class, being a single degree off or like half a degree off, it sounds like it's not really that much of an issue, right? But like, if you're half a degree off like here, right? So if you're like here and you're trying to make like a 90 degree thing here, if you're like here, it doesn't really matter for like here, right? But as you keep going, that becomes actually a lot of issue. Like, that is very substantial compared to like that, you know? It's even like a little bit off, right? And then if you're like, you know, maybe 3 degrees off because we were welding and we were bending stuff by hand, it's like, okay, this is like, you know, maybe that's intolerance, whatever. We don't really have tolerances even in that class because we're too shit to like have tolerances because we can't do anything. And then it becomes like, you know, this much space, and that's really an issue. Then your box doesn't fit together. Oh my god, I can't believe I did that. Dude, oh my god, I'm so mad. But like the thing is, I didn't even cut through these two. God fucking damn it. Oh my god, I'm so mad, actually. That is so... Trying to figure out, like... When your math's so hard, you don't math. It didn't math, yeah. Well, it's like what I really should have is this, right? Going to analyze this. Maybe I can just cut this off, even. I don't really know like the cases for sections, I think I could probably just cut that there. Not have this. Get rid of these two, because clearly those aren't important. This one we care about. F, D, J. And this one we care about. F, E, J. But, like, the thing is, like, no matter, like, how, like, annoyed I am right now, it's like, I very much learned my lesson about constructing these kind of problems, right? Like, so, and that's really what, you know, that's what you learn. F, I, J. Man. You know, the image of the guy, like, standing in the shower, and he has his, like, butt out like this? That's how I feel right now. Words of Bennett Foddy. There's no feeling more intense than starting over. If you delete your homework the day was due, as I have, or if you left your wallet at home and you have to go back after spending an hour in the commute. Ugh. That one's rough. I did that. I was walking home from my chem lab. I was like, I forgot my hat. Because I put it under the table in the little place where we had the hats, and I forgot about it, and I had to walk all the way back. I felt like this. And you know, you're in the shower, and it's like the guy in the shower image, and so it's like showering in there. Fuck, man, I'm so annoyed. That's so annoying. Oh my god. I should just turn this into my cream. I like showers because they cry for you. I like showers because of water. Get water in there. Fuck, man. Okay, this one is done. That one's good. I like that one. This one, fuck statics, man. I was so confident, and then really knocked me down a peg. Okay, well, let's see. What was this? What was I doing here? What is this? Oh, that was the glasses. So confused for a second. Okay. These can only do tension, so the only forces that can exist on these are forces that are pulling like this. And so we know that. Now, alright. Let's just sit and think for a second. Alright. We have two known forces at A. Right? Because we have our pin. We got those from equilibrium. We got three little dudes in there. Too many. Can't start there. At B, we have three, and we have one known force. Also can't start there. At C, we have no known forces, and we have three, so we really can't start there. And at D, we have three, and you have one known force. So it kind of feels like we might have to set up a system of equations relating, you know, for example, stuff at B to stuff at D. That's kind of where my brain is headed, because I don't want to do sections. Clearly, we've seen that I'm not very good at setting up sections correctly. And also, he didn't say use sections, so, you know, I'll use joints. But, huh. We want something here. We want something here. Let's just go slow. Let's do this. If I write joint D, then we just draw it, right? Like for fun. As you do as an engineer. Drawing free body diagrams for fun. God, my life. Okay. That's gonna be 30 degrees. The geometry in these really getting to me. Okay, we know that this force is gonna go this way. That's our TD. You know there's gonna be a force here. We know there's gonna be a force here. We don't know the direction of it. Well, so for this one, This one has to be this way, and this one has to be this way. Okay. We have that. That's AD, F, AD. And this one is F, S, C, D. So we know that these two are in compression. These two beams. Okay. Good. We've started that. Okay. What if I draw joint B? Or yeah, because joint B, we're looking about like relationships, right? I can relate some stuff because we know N, and we don't know anything else. We know N. If I can solve for TD in a way that matters, then we might be able to get some wins here. You know, I might need to also do joint C. Now that I'm thinking about it, maybe... Now let's just draw joint B. Okay, I think joint B is going to tell us more than that one, because that's got a lot of unknowns. Because we have like a known weight, and what else do we have? We have this tension over here. That's our TB. Love that dude. Hate that dude. Whatever. That's L. We know that this one has to go up. Alright, so that's force BC. And then we know that this one has to go this way. That is force... I'll rather draw it over here. That's our force AB. Alright, so we know that TB equals TD. I don't want to write that there. I want to write that here, I think. TB equals TD. So what does that tell us? If we can solve for... Oh my god, I think we need to also solve for C, maybe? Is that true? Because then we'll be able to relate CD and BC. Maybe... Wait, no, but I can't, because they're in different planes. Man. What about FAD and FBC? Can I say they're equal? I cannot. I feel like this is so weird. What if I just said statically indeterminate? What if I just said statically indeterminate? Don't put a cross in there. I realized the only science I was ever taught was the one I hated the most, biology, and I'm not learning science in school till college apparently, so I'll find a way to learn chemistry. Khan Academy only starts at AP chemistry. So, let me think. I took like 2 chemistry classes because I did 2 years of physics instead of a AP chemistry. AP chemistry is like college level chemistry, or college level American college level chemistry, I should say. Or sometimes even better. It just depends on where your college is. But when I first learned it, I learned it with physical sciences. So we kind of learned about like elements and electrons and what it means to like have an atom of something and like what a mole is and, you know, kind of different like bond types a little bit. So like this is what a covalent bond like means, but we didn't really do, you know, equation chemistry stuff. And then in my high school chemistry class, because I was in like, that was the end of like middle school was that. And then in my high school chemistry class, we did, you know, balancing equations and like different bonds and orbitals and nuclear chemistry. We did that first actually, which is really interesting. But my brother, I think, is going to go into chem, or he's looking at that right now, at least for his degree. And it's really cool. There's a lot of cool stuff in chem. I think if you want beginning chem stuff, like who do people use? Like the organic tutor or somebody? I think that's his name. The organic tutor, maybe. He does some really good stuff. You wish you were in college? College is pretty cool, I will say. But there are parts of college that are also like hard. I mean, like trying to like live and also take like a lot of classes. I mean, especially like where I am, we're on quarters. So like all of our classes are 10 weeks. So they move really quickly and your exams are kind of happening like all the time and stuff. So it's not exactly the most it's not the easiest environment to be in, right? So yeah, that's the only thing. So we do normal minus FCD minus TD cos theta. And then this one, right, if we're solving for TB, we can do fx, sure, fx equals 0. Right, so equals 0. I'm gonna move this over just a skosh. I might have to wait till lecture on Monday to actually solve these properly, because this is, I don't know. I think I can, like, the first one made sense, but this is like a little FAB minus TB cosine theta plus nothing. Oh, we're getting somewhere. So TB cos theta equals FAB. And then, right, so TB, this also equals TD cos theta. So we can say, plugging this in, FCD equals normal force, which we know, minus FAB. What is our normal force? Our normal force is 4L over 3. But I guess we still don't know what. I don't know. I don't like that, because I feel like that's not going to line up well with the answer up here, because it's saying AB equals BC is the only one that has any. Wait, oh, yeah. Because AC equals 5L over 3T. I don't know. I might need to take a pause on this, because, like, it's just a little interesting. Because then, like, at C, we could put in AB. Right, because the only thing we know there... I don't know, I might as well free body the other joints. That's kind of the thing, like, if you don't know what you're doing, just free body all the joints, right? If it's a joint problem. What is our... Okay, so it's up this, FAY, and then over like this, FAX. And then we have this, I mean, here it can only support tension. So it's being pulled that way, so that's TA. And then we have one going this way that is... Yeah, probably going this way, I'm gonna assume, which is FAB. And then this one is probably going, I don't know, I'll just say it's going this way for, like, cleanliness. That's FAD. So I didn't set up any expressions for FAD there, but I could. Might as well, because that's also going to give us a relationship with that. Why do they advertise Coke as refreshing? It's not refreshing. As a soda drinker, I can understand it, but yeah, it's not. I mean, that's not really why, like, I drink soda. I like it because it's just, like, fun, you know? Ooh, okay, so FAD. Oh. Okay. It's not a right triangle, though, this sine-cosine business. So I gotta be careful. I can't just say, like, FAD equals TD, right, sine theta. Oh my god, have I seen the Pepsi design docs? I love the Pepsi design docs. The one where it's, like, the gravitational pull of the Pepsi logo. That shit is exactly my vibe. I need to make like Damie merch that's like the Pepsi logo like doctrine. I love that. It's my favorite thing ever, I think. Like one of my favorite because like I don't know, I think about stuff like that and like everybody's like oh my gosh, it's so crazy that like they're thinking about like oh the earth and like Pepsi like if you're in a store like Pepsi's gonna like pull you to the Pepsi or whatever, but I'm like that shit is like I don't know, it's just really fun to think about. Like it's not real, but it's like it's kind of cool, I guess. I don't know, maybe I'm just like insane. Okay, Fy equals 0 equals right FBC minus TB sine theta minus L equals 0. So FBC equals because TB sine theta equals TD sine theta. Right. Oh wait, is that maybe that's not true though, is the thing. Oh no, wait, did I just assume that? Is that necessarily the case? Oh shit. I think it has to be. It's a two-force member. It's a two-force member. I think that's true. Yeah, I think that's true. Some idiots scamming Pepsi with $1 million and having fun with it. Well, maybe not idiots if they could scam a mega corporation. Like, what? For the design? I don't think that's like a scam. I think that's just like design. It's just like, yeah, that's just design, I think. Okay, so BC equals L. I kind of can see where we're going here. Right, so FAD. $1 million for that? I mean, honestly, they put a lot of like work into it. Like a lot of people don't design stuff like with that much like effort. So I'd say that's worth 1 million. I mean, like when you're a company and you're making like $1 billion, right? Like think about if you're making 1 million, right? That's like 0.1%. Right? Like, I mean, to us, it's like, it's hard to comprehend on that scale. You know? It's like if you do that, and that's 1 million, but that is just 0.1%. So, I mean, it's kind of like us, right? Like if you make like $1,000, that's like us paying $1 for something. Right? Like, so to them, it's not a lot of money, but. So TBC equals that plus L. Does that like give me literally anything? I feel like I'm going insane. Some of the forces in X. What am I solving for? I don't even know. FAB. I mean, I have something else that's FAB, right? So FAB equals TA, or FAX minus TA cos theta equals, right, also TB cos theta equals TD cos theta? Like, what have I done here? This seems bad. What am I missing? You just like get rid of the. Do you just get rid of the tensions? Like what? I don't get it. You have a stupid song stuck in your head right now? That's like me, always, ever. To be honest. You just, because it feels like they're disregarding the tension. If you disregard the tension, then right, you get like, you look at this one up here. You see that L equals something, you get this and this, but then you have this equal to L. So they're not doing that. You gotta go have fun mathing. I'm probably gonna end, like, now. I need to eat dinner. I need to eat something. Yeah, I don't think I'm getting anywhere on these. Which is kind of sad, because, like, but I did a lot of the setup work for it. Like, when I come back to it and I, like, know how to approach it, it should be chill. Yeah, I think I'm gonna end then. Thank you, everybody, for hanging out. It's been nice. A little later today, but still here. I don't know if I'll stream on Tuesday. Kind of just depends on the circumstances. But yeah. Nice hanging out with you, as always. Thanks for watching me come and fail at doing statics. I'm the best worst cat boy at statics. And I will see you guys when I see you. Hope you all have a great day, great night. Hope you eat some good food. Hope you sleep well. And yeah, see you later. Bye.